If you enjoy armchair traveling around the world in a time capsule, you're going to love this set. It is 14 volumes from the very early part of the 20th century, 1904, Boston. It is the very famous John Stoddard's Lectures, complete in 10 volumes, but we have here those 10 volumes plus 4 supplemental volumes, so the set is complete. It is profusely illustrated. Each volume has on the spine the locations, great places, Constantinople, Jerusalem, and Egypt, with this profusion of photographs taken, I think primarily by the author and those with him, of these locations. Look at this one, Japan and China. Yeah, it's a real snapshot into, a world that does not survive in this way. It has drastically changed. The set overall remains sound and tight. All the volumes have marbled end papers like so, marbled covers, a grained dark red Morocco leather spine, and there's this inscription from a mother to a daughter for the set. Yeah, all of the volumes are like this. There's no doubt over 2,000 different illustrations. We see all parts of the world: Europe, St. Petersburg, Moscow, Naples, England. Here we have the Grand Canyon, Southern California, Malta. I mean, yeah, it's really just great. Yeah, Grand Canyon with indigenous peoples and houses, and Southern California. Look at this. Playing golf there. Yeah, it's great. Hours of reading here. This interesting set is available now online from me, Brian DeMambro.